Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix CapCut not working. So to start, open CapCut on your mobile. Then from here, go to the icon at the top right. So once you click that, you'll be headed to settings. Once you're on settings, scroll down and look for clear cache. So click on clear cache and confirm the action. Now, second method is to go to your phone settings. So open settings and go to general. Go to iPhone storage. Now from here, look for CapCut, or you can just search it, open it, then click Offload App. Click Offload App once more, and click on Reinstall App. So this will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. So just wait for it to finish reinstalling. So basically, it will reinstall the app, and once done, go ahead and open CapCut and see if that solves the problem. You can also go and open settings again and go to Wi-Fi and check if you're connected to a stable internet connection. So you can switch from data to Wi-Fi or from Wi-Fi to data. Then go ahead and open CapCut again and see if that works. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.